Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Do you want to unlock bigger travel parks on booking.com? Here's how to reach Genius Level 3, the highest tier in Booking's loyalty program. To qualify, all you need to do is complete 15 stays within 2 years at Genius participating properties. That's it. Each stay counts as one, no matter how long it is, so even one night bookings help you level up. Just look for the Genius Blue badge when choosing where to stay. Once you hit level 3, you unlock lifetime benefits, including up to 20% off hotels, free breakfast, free room upgrades, and even priority customer support. Do you want to get there faster? Try booking short stays or affordable rooms, especially in budget friendly regions. Even hotels or $10 stays can count. Just make sure the property is part of the Genius program. One important tip: cancelled bookings don't count. You need to actually complete the stay for it to be added to your Genius progress. And here's the best part: once you reach Genius Level 3, you keep it for life. Happy travels! Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.